2020.
Say it again, Mark. Say it again.
A little 2020 twin.
Wow.
Nigga.
That's all, y'all. We back in the building. All right, man. I'll see you in a minute.
Hey, go read that.
Always. Yo, it's your boy Pleasure. Y'all got them working out, y'all. It is sound check. We are in Oklahoma still, but a different city. I forgot what city it was we're in, but let's make it happen. Down we go. Doors open up. Yo, it's Pleasure, man. About to make it happen. It's sound check time. And why don't I know which part of Oklahoma we're in? Because I travel too much. I was just in, in Newkirk, Oklahoma, 4 hours from here. Now I'm in this Paris. I'm gonna ask about where we at. Here we go. Now I found out. No, we in Newkirk. We're in Grant, man. Grant, Oklahoma.
Whatever. It's still Oklahoma.
It's 4 hours away. From Newkirk.
Yeah.
I found out that we was in Grant. We just came back from Newkirk, and then tomorrow we're going tonight after the show.
We're going to the Grand Palace.
Grand Palace. Where's
Grand
that?
Palace. That's in.
We don't know where we are. We travel.
Hold that thought. Let me train the thought.
We travel too much.
Durant, Oklahoma.
Durant, Oklahoma. There you go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Pleasure Reels. Sound check with the soundtrack. What soundtrack is done, right?
Yeah, man, soundcheck done, man.
You know, man.
I'm gonna have to come hit him tonight, and I'm gonna have to bring that in so they can see that bling bling.
I see the bling on the tour. You know, we're on the tour right now.
Baby. Yeah, and it's real. It's real.
Oh, well, I'm about to say now, but I can't say now. He can.
Yeah, but anyway, see y'all later on tonight.
Boom.